If I press enter,
Let's make America great again.
yeah. Oh, I would like to run it again. Hello and welcome to another tutorial on Python tricks. In this video we're going to talk about text-to-speech in Python. Actually we're going to use GTTS, which is Google Text-to-Speech module. At the top right of this video we're going to find some sort of instruction for installing the module that we need. Okay, let's import our module. So I can say that from GTTS import GTTS. Okay, and now after that I will import let's say I'll import the OS. You're gonna see why. And now I'm getting a text as an input. I'm gonna ask the user, please write something here, and actually it's not right, it's type. Okay, and then I will make a variable called speech. I will call the GTTS module, and I will pass in the text. Also, I have to mention in which language it is. I will mention like it's in English. And also there is some sort of flag here as an input. We have to say, do we want it to be slow or not? So basically I can say false. I would like to convert this text to speech regularly, not so slow. Okay. After that, all I have to do is that actually I have the speech, I have the file. All I have to do is just save it somewhere. I will save it like voice.mp3, and I will use the os.system command for actually starting this voice. So I can say start voice.mp3. I save that and I run the code. Okay, let's type something here. Okay, hey Sanchan, give me a sentence, please.
What sentence?
Some sort of sentence. I mean, the first thing that it runs into your mind.
Well, okay, yeah. Make America great again.
Wow, it sounds familiar to me.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, come
okay,
on,
so,
it is.
So, make America great again. Okay, so make America great again. Okay, so if I press it, thank you, Sunshine.
Yeah, welcome, man.
Yeah, okay. If I press enter,
Let's make America great again.
yeah. Oh, I would like to run it again.
Thank you so much for watching this video. For more Python tricks, please subscribe my channel. See you next time.